CSS compulsory and optional subjects for written examination 1,200 marks. The examination will include the following subjects and each subject will carry the marks shown against it. There will be 2 papers of 100 marks each of the subjects which carry 200 marks. In other subjects there will be 1 paper. Marks from the following groups as per rules given in column 1 below. Group 1 subject carrying 200 marks. Subject marks: accountancy and auditing, economics, computer science, political science, 200 international relations. Group 1 subject carrying 200 marks or 2 subjects carrying 100 marks. Physics, chemistry, applied mathematics, pure mathematics, statistics, geology. Group 1 subject carrying 100 marks. Business administration, public administration, governance and public policies, town planning and urban management. Group 1 subject carrying 100 marks. History of Pakistan and India, Islamic history and culture, British history, European history, history of USA. Group 1 subject carrying 100 marks. Gender studies, environmental sciences, agriculture and forestry, botany, zoology, English literature, Urdu literature. Group 1 subject carrying 100 marks. Law, constitutional law, international law, Muslim law and jurisprudence, mercantile law, criminology, philosophy. Group 1 subject carrying 100 marks. Journalism and mass communication, psychology, geography, sociology, anthropology 0, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi,